Hi, my name is Megna. I live outside of San Diego in a small suburb called Scripps Ranch. I'm a mom of 3 kids. We started looking into solar because we found that our electric bills were super high every single month. Being a mom of 3 kids, generally the kids leave lights on, they leave things on all the time. So we kind of got tired of always being that nag of turn the lights off, turn the fans off. So we started to investigate solar as an alternative option to electric. So as you can imagine, living in San Diego in Southern California, it gets pretty warm. So our electric bills were pretty high. We were running upwards of $300 sometimes. We chose Semper Solaris because our friends had a good experience with Semper, and we also, once we set up a time to meet with the sales representative, we found him really knowledgeable about not only the installation process, about the tax advantages with the sales force, the installation crew. They taught us how to use everything. It was overall, from start to finish, a really good experience. After the installation was complete and we noticed a pattern in our electric bill, we noticed that our electric bill had gone down a few $100s. There were months that we had a 0 bill. There were months that we had a negative bill. As a parent, I'm happy that we made the decision to go with Semper Solaris and have the solar panels put in. I feel that after we made this decision, we're able to afford many other things just because we aren't paying a $300 monthly bill. At the end of the day, it really has provided us a better life for our family.